advantage of Matsuura's hybrid method 3D printer LUMEX is that it is equipped with a spindle. Today, I will explain the advantages of this. At Matsuura, we recommend manufacturing hybrid molds which incorporate the base plate as part of the mold to reduce costs and improve dimensional accuracy. To create hybrid molds, precise measurement using a touch probe is essential. For example, when manufacturing a hybrid mold with internal cooling channels, like the one shown here, the base plate becomes an integral part of the product. This means that the positions of the base plate's prepared holes must be precisely aligned with the mold's cooling channels. In general, metal 3D printers do not have a spindle and therefore lack the ability to accurately measure and determine the position of the base plate. As a result, detecting the exact location of the prepared holes becomes difficult. If the positions of the base plate's holes and the cooling channels do not align properly, misalignment occurs. As shown here, when the positioning is incorrect, the red marked areas block the flow of cooling water, which may lead to insufficient cooling. This could result in defective products. On the other hand, LUMEX is equipped with a spindle, so it can precisely determine the position coordinates of the base plate using a touch probe. The touch probe allows for contact-based measurement of the base plate's dimensions and prepared hole positions, thereby ensuring that the cooling channels are built accurately on top of the prepared hole. This enhances cooling efficiency and reduces the risk of defects caused by insufficient cooling. Now, let's take a look at the actual touch probe measurement process. First, a dial gauge is used to accurately position the base plate. The spindle plays a crucial role in ensuring the base plate is set in the correct location. Next, measure with the touch probe. Using the touch probe, 4 points are manually measured to determine the exact positioning for building. Once the position is determined, the building process begins. Another major advantage of being equipped with a spindle is the ability to mill. With LUMEX, both building and milling can be performed in a single machine, allowing complex shapes to be built efficiently while minimizing the number of processes required. As you can see, LUMEX is equipped with a spindle, allowing for the building of high-quality molds. For more information, please watch our LUMEX videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you next time.